Yo, what's up? This is the coldest scat other than Josh Laurents out here. I'm sorry, but Josh Laurents really.
Okay.
This is cold.
Yes,
though.
it is.
But this is cold. And it's a wide body. Y'all, it's your boy j.koolii back with another video. I'm just on my way to Josh's event. He's having his first meet and greet. Josh Laurents, if y'all not familiar with him, go ahead, subscribe to his YouTube, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I'm on my way there. I need to go get a car wash right fast, and meet up with my friends, and then we're gonna head up out there. It's out there in Livonia at Twin Peaks. I think it's a restaurant or something. I've never been there, but it's about a 30-minute, 40-minute drive for me, so it's gonna take me a little bit to get there. So it started at 12. It's 12 right now, but it's till 4. So hopefully I'll be there by 1. So if this is your first time watching, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I got a lot more bangers and stuff coming for y'all. You know, I know I've been lacking on the videos. I ain't been feeling too good, but I'm gonna get back into it, y'all, I promise. So stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Let me tell you what I'm popping out with.
Say hi, guys.
What up?
My man's right here. He got a Lambo. He
Just sold the
Fusion,
yeah.
you know.
I just sold the Fusion, bro.
You just sold that bitch.
Yeah. I bought a Hellcat Red Eye.
We here at Josh's meet. It's straight. It's mostly scats though. It's the coldest car here. Red Eye.
It's my Red Eye.
It's your Red Eye.
That's definitely not my car. Them boys thick.
His Brembo is light up too. I mean, I don't light up, but like they reflective. Way. My whip. Sparko. Oh, it's cold. Ooh.
15 pounds.
I want smoke.
There.
Yeah.
Damn, if I could lose to this though, I'm gonna like,
Yeah,
they gonna rush my
it's a
ass.
stock
that's
turbo.
light.
It's a
The
stock
car's
turbo.
light.
If you just upgrade the turbo, it'll probably keep up with fucking scat packs.
I know my buddy's.
Oh, the actual turbo.
My buddy's
Is it
F1
stock
K.
turbo?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's stock
My
turbo.
buddy's F-150 keeps up with scats.
Really?
Yeah, it's twin turbo.
That's why.
That 3.5.
Yeah, I can see.
Who, Tyler?
Ashton.
Oh, actually.
Said
What
Tyler.
color is it?
Great.
What's in this? Oh, that's okay.
That's okay.
The whole hookup.
I just had that and sold it because my camera's too
Thank you.
too
See
heavy.
that? So my no, for
Thank
real.
you.
That's a real mistake. So I was up in Best Buy like, oh shit, let me grab that. Paid the quick $5. Took it home. That bitch fell. I was like, what?
The lens, right?
Yeah, the lens, and I had another Nikon. I just got this probably about 3 months ago. So this is an entry
mirrorless?
level. Yeah, it's an entry level Nikon, but it's real light, man.
Yeah.
You know, I could get busy and shit, come through up and down. You know, I could flip this boy over and shit like
yeah,
this. You know, come. You know what I'm saying?
But my
You
camera.
getting all this? What you doing? Where we at, man? Your boy Low 14 Films, OG on this bitch, 45, keeping it live. I don't give a damn.
But yeah, my camera's
We
too
out
big,
here.
so I need a Ronin because that's
Okay, yeah,
that holds
I'm
like
gonna
8
get that S.
pounds.
See, my man over here got it. And look, he over there doing the 360 shit and all
Yeah.
that stuff. He killing. Look, he talking to himself. I'm like you with the iPhone.
Yeah, I'm lazy.
No. Y'all bring a car out here? I'm just an enthusiast. I got a junky van, so we out here.
Yeah.
This is the wide body.
Got that wide body up there.
Where you at?
Right here in front of me.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to come talk to you whenever y'all get done doing the lap. I'm gonna
what's up?
circle back. I'm over here with Plum Nuts over here, the purple car. You know, he out here. He all about what's under the hood type shit. So he say he trying to get y'all up to speed doing the details and stuff. He ain't no show off, but he a very good resource, man. Great brother. I met him 2 weeks ago. He done had me down there at 3 shows and stuff. So I don't know shit about nothing. I'm learning. You know what I'm saying? Working at the high school, killing it because ain't none of y'all in there. I'm loving it. Hopefully y'all logging on them laptops or y'all might be in college shit. Let me quit talking.
Damn, that would be sick.
Yeah, they gonna want to go right here doing this thing. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. Let me give you my card and scoop your weed, whatever you do, but don't lose that shit. I'm a real person, bro. And
Damn.
It's not even loud.
What you do to it, dog? You got headers?
Maybe.
Everybody else grabbing this shit.
Where that bitch?
Dog, that shit is lethal as hell. God damn.
Decent cars out here. Another wide body. Hellcat, Mustang.
I hate them, man.
Them LT1s, bro. Them bitches is fast. This J clean as fuck.
Ajax. You need some of these wings I got, bro?
RTs.
I got 12 for a reason.
Rims. I would change them.
I never seen one in person, bro. This shit cold. This y'all car?
Yeah,
Oh, this bitch nice as fuck. Damn, bro. I really wanted to get one of these.
My weather app movie 55 degrees for that hole. Fucking This is GT5. What it
It's fast, bro.
What is that shit, man?
I think it's a Mustang.
Fuck, it sound like fucking butthole. What is up?
This paint? I raced a 1000cc bike. Yeah.
You know?
It went by like a little bit.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
J.Koolii, you looking too coolie today, huh?
I'm dead. That wine, man. That wine's something else. Coldest car here. Oh, it's not red. Hey, the Sprint phone, go talk to me.
Oh yeah, cool.
Burn out, bro.
I'm out. I'll see you, bro. Hey, we gotta run it again.
What's up? What's up?
I'll see you guys.
All right, bro. Scared to do that shit. What? What you say? Shout out to shit.
Yo, what's up? This is the coldest scat other than Josh Laurents out here. I'm sorry, but Josh Laurents really.
Okay.
This is cold.
Yeah, yes,
though.
it is.
But this is cold. And it's a wide body.
Yeah.
But you know, make sure to go sub to me.
Yep.
Smooth Games, you know, on YouTube. And follow the Instagram, IG Smooth Games Official.
Okay.
But yeah, that's it.
All right.
This is crazy.
You want to shout out anything? Are you good? All right. I'm going to catch y'all though.
Bro. I gotta get like you.
Bro, I bet you. What you guess the price? I already know what I'm guessing.
This about for a scat in general. I think it's like
I think 40.
30, like 35,
It's
35,
55K.
55, and then this right here is probably with all of this. I give it about 75. I give about 75.
It's probably about 60 grand into it.
Yeah.
So,
I gotta turn 16, get my music career started, and then
yeah.
you know I'm gonna.
It's all a process. Don't rush. Ain't no rush.
I'm gonna have me one of these. I gotta be fast like this man, living a fast and furious life.
Yeah. All right,
That's
John.
crazy.
Alright.
Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this car real quick.
All right, do your thing.